everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some easy tips and DIYs on how to refresh your home decor for the new year. It is still January, you still have some time to refresh your home decor and do some minor touch-ups and cosmetic fixes around your home. I'll be sharing with you some affordable DIYs and tips and show you what I did and hope you get inspired. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I do more home decor tips and DIYs here in this channel. Be sure to also check the description box below for my social media as well as any other info and products you need for this video. Let's start with an easy way to renew an old or tired piece of furniture. We got this IKEA lock side table for free, but it needed a makeover. First, we taped off the edges and sanded it to get it ready for primer. Add an even coat of primer to the legs and the sides. We saved some money by using leftover paint we had for our walls and went with a light gray. Using a small roller helps to minimize any paint streaks. For the top of the table, gently apply tape around the perimeter to protect the dry paint. And you can decorate the top with some printed contact paper. I of course chose a gray and white marble. I will have the link to this in the description box to the exact print that I chose. And it's something really easy to do. It's quite sticky, but be sure to use a card or something similar to smooth out any bubbles as you apply it. Have someone help you peel the backing off as you go, then use a blade or X-Acto knife to neatly cut off any excess paper. You can now remove the painter's tape gently and you've got a brand new table. We also added leftover marble paper we had to the top of my side drawers next to my couch. It adds more interest and it matches our new coffee table. If you have small holes in your walls from hanging things up like we do, now's a good time to patch them up. An easy DIY spackle consists of some basic glue and baking soda, and chances are you already have these two. Mix them until you have a paste. I used a foam brush to fill in the small holes and a fork to smooth it out. I also use a paper towel to blot any excess off. Let it dry completely and now you can paint over it with your matching wall paint. Most scuff marks on your walls can easily be removed by using a magic eraser. They're affordable and they work like a charm. Other areas I suggest cleaning up are your door trim, baseboard molding, and your doors, especially high traffic areas like near light switches and door handles. I noticed that the magic eraser works great on lighter colored paint such as white and light gray. For darker areas, be sure to test out a small area before you start scrubbing. The easiest and most affordable way to freshen up your decor is to use what you already have. Clear out where you want to decorate and start fresh by moving accent pieces around. You'll be surprised at how a new combination of pieces can change the whole look. For example, I redid my floating shelves after I removed my seasonal Christmas decor to give it a new look. You can also switch out throw pillows and change how you display a throw blanket like I did here. This blanket is from the bedroom and I threw it over my couch. I also took accent pieces from another room to add it to my coffee table. This throw is from the living room. I now have it on the bed and I reversed it to use the other side to show the nice bright colors, and it felt like a new blanket. These are just some tips to get you started. Have fun with it and be creative in your decorating style to make it your own. If you need more inspiration, don't forget to watch more of my decor videos. I'll have a list in the description box. I absolutely love how everything came out. It barely cost anything, but it made the biggest difference. Leave me a comment letting me know how you refresh your home decor for the new year and any tips that you'd like to share with the Simple Life Society. That was my home refresh decor and DIY tips. I hope you guys enjoyed it and give it a try. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of my new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!